What's up, YouTube? It's Waveman Mike, and today I'm about to be teaching you how to do the wash and style method. Before we get this video started, everybody go ahead and hit that like button. Let's try to get at least 25 likes. So without wasting any more time, let's get into it. Okay, so first thing you want to do is go ahead and get your hair wet, whether you're in or out of the shower. Right now I'm doing it out of the shower. And you want to go ahead and get some shampoo. It doesn't really matter what shampoo you use. I'm using just regular Suave. I use anything that's in my bathroom when I'm about to wash my hair. So that's the shampoo I'm using. You want to go ahead, get not too much, but not too little bit. I usually always get a lot, but yeah. Put that in your hands and then rub it in your hair. Just like that. Alright, you see it? It's in my hair. Get it nice and distributed throughout your hair. Doesn't have to be too much, not too little, but you know. I usually have my hair like more wet than this, but for the sake of the video, I don't want it to have like all this soapy water going into my eyes. I can't see if I'm in the camera view or not. So, alright, go ahead and take that shampoo off your hands. Once you get that shampoo off your hands, go ahead and get your brush and brush your hair. Your brush could be either wet or dry, doesn't matter. If you're in the shower while you're doing this, your brush is most likely going to be wet anyway. But it doesn't matter if if your brush is wet or dry, because it's going to get wet with your hair anyway. So, usually, well, most likely your hair is going to get frizzy when you start brushing it. So that's how you see like my hair starting to get like frizzy. Brush all of the sides of your hair, because yeah, just do it. I know I'm kind of far away from the camera, so you're losing some of the details. It doesn't really. I mean, you don't need you know how to brush your hair, so just brush your hair as you would normally. Alright, when you finish brushing your hair, it doesn't matter how long you brush your hair for, probably about 20 to 40 minutes. Go ahead and get your do-rag and put your do-rag on while you still have your hair wet with the shampoo in it. You want to do this because your hair is going to get even more frizzy if you rinse it out without the do-rag on. Probably better to do this with a wave cap, but I like to do it with my do-rag because I don't really like how tight wave caps fit. So yeah, do it with you could do it with the do-rag or your wave cap. And yeah, and then I'm about to show you the next step right now. Alright, you want to go ahead and rinse your hair off with cold water. I know you're probably going to want to use warm water or hot water, but go ahead and use cold water. After you got all the stuff out your hair, you rinse it completely out. Now you want to keep your do-rag still on until your hair dries off. And after your hair dries off, then you can do pretty much whatever you want with it. You don't have to take it off right then when it dries, but after it dries, then this method is over pretty much. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, honestly. If you did enjoy it, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, go make sure to check out my Instagram account. It's also Waveman Mike. I think you'll like it. And that's it for the video. Enjoy your day.
This entire class is getting detention for a week. Hello. Oh, Principal Dove, it's nice of you to come in and see our wonderful class. Okay, class, so today's objective is to be as great as...
Thank you for watching me at Waveman Mike. If you you want to check out more of my videos, there'll be links in the description, and you can go follow me on Instagram. Make sure to go hit that like button and subscribe so you can stay up to date with all of my new videos. Enjoy your day.